And jury selection begins today in the former President Donald Trump's hush money trial.
Trump becomes the first former president to go on trial for criminal charges. Now, this is video from just about an hour ago of Trump arriving to that Manhattan courthouse. The former president will be in court every day as he faces dozens of counts of falsifying business records, including claims that he tried to hide alleged hush money payments to an adult film star. CBS News' Naomi Ruckham has more on what to expect.
Today, Donald Trump becomes the first former U.S. president to face trial in a criminal case in Manhattan.
Have a good time watching.
Trump faces 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, including claims that he covered up $130,000 in hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels through his former fixer Michael Cohen in order to hide an alleged previous relationship with Daniels ahead of the 2016 presidential election.
We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
Trump denies the encounter and has pleaded not guilty to the charges. First up today is jury selection. Legal experts say it could take weeks to narrow down a pool of hundreds of potential jurors to just 12 and some alternates.
Ultimately, there is no one who is going to enter that courthouse who doesn't have an opinion about Donald Trump.
Some legal experts say that Trump's lawyers are likely to file a motion to try to move the trial to another city. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News, New York.